frustrating when you keep having certain problems with these trucks because the truck is so new. Sometimes they haven't worked out the kinks with the new truck. This video is just faulty ABS system. And I basically done took this truck to the shop. This is like the third time that I took the truck to the shop. This truck actually been down for a whole week. Got it back and look, it's still the same. Still the same issue. And it's like the ABS system, all the lights and bells pretty much come on and you can barely use the cruise control. Play around with the braking system because not only do the lights come on, when you push the brake pedal, you hear like a little bit of air escaping from the pedal. Let me change. But you definitely can't play with the braking system. So if anybody got a clue about these new Freightliner, because this is a 2020 Freightliner here. I had this truck before I had it. They pretty much messed this truck up. When I tell you these suckers messed this truck up, these suckers messed this motherfucking truck up. They messed this truck up so bad. When I got it, it looked like whoever had this truck pretty much hit something on the whole right side. And when they hit something, they did like some body damage on the front of the frame. The mud flap on the front drives, that was missing. And then the tire was messed up. So the fairing was gone. So I mean, I ain't talking about nobody, but he must have ran over something serious that he done messed up the damn ABS system and then taking off fairings, taking off mud flaps, putting dents and bruises in the damn body. I'm gonna show y'all. Brand new truck. This truck got less than 150,000 miles on the truck. Look at Mr. Scales. I see you, Mr. Scales. Like this was missing right here. Got this crap right here. I'm looking for that scratch. Oh, here you go. Then they got this shit right here. So he did some damage on the left side too, whoever had this damn truck. And a matter of fact, I think they actually replaced this one right here. They replaced that one that he must have knocked off. Let me see how many miles is on this truck. Let me see. Hold up. Give me a second. Let me see. Okay. This truck got 506 miles. So that's still a brand new truck. This is a 2020 truck. Under 500,000 miles. I mean, when it start getting between like 300, 400, it's kind of getting up there. And when it gets to 500,000 miles, most companies usually trade out the truck for a brand new truck. Like they lease. A lot of these mega carriers, y'all think that they own these trucks and they don't. A lot of these mega carriers, they actually lease, like they lease a bunch of trucks. And when they lease them in such big bulk, they actually get a discount on the lease because they lease them in such of a big number of trucks coming into the yard. My thing is, golly, man, it's like you get tired of taking your truck to the shop and then you gotta wait. We know it, you get the truck back with the same damn problem.
How you doing?
Hey, Mr. Scales.
Hey, what's that white thing in there?
What, this?
Yeah, what is that?
Well, I got a picture of my dead mother on it. But yeah, but it is a mirror.
Oh, I thought it was some new gadget.
No, mirror. Because, you know, we women, we gotta be looking all... But yeah, I just put my mom. What's up, Brian?
Is there any burger in that truck?
No. I haven't really got settled because it's so messed up and I gotta take it back again. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a mirror, but I put my mother obituary on there.
What's your name?
Pinkie. 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 Yeah.
All right,
nice meeting you, Mr. Scales. I actually looked for something to plug up, and there is no plug up. I gotta look, because like I said, I haven't really got settled yet. Why? Oh, you looking for it? Where would it be?
Right inside that box.
Where?
Right.
You mean like a plug?
Yeah. Just open that door. There's a door right there.
Yeah,
this is something I don't know right here at the bottom. The middle one right there.
It's a base model.
I know, but it's his inverter, easily.
Because I cleaned this truck. I actually cleaned it.
I was just curious because
So I had to put this damn thing, like this whole piece right here.
I can't hear because
he took it up and I had to put it back in. Like he actually had this sitting on the top bunk and I had to install it back in. So wrong with these stupid people, man.
Yeah, but I know because it was either in this one or it's in like 23. I couldn't remember. Yeah, I was just curious. I'm sorry because I know actually said that he called about it the other day. Called her looking for it.
I would still. Yeah. I got my own inverter. Sure, I got my own inverter that I need.
Like a couple other guys have had that truck since then, so somebody could learn.
Damn, that's crazy. It wasn't me. You know, I don't steal. I got my own shit. I got too much shit.
Well, if it's in there, you'd be able to use it.
I wouldn't steal nobody's stuff. Yeah, back. All right, man. If anybody ever seen this issue before, can y'all please give me some advice? I'm gonna have to I'm not gonna keep taking my truck back into the shop. Had to wait a whole damn week and in a damn loaner truck, and then the truck still ain't right. You do this damn braid. This braid is getting on my nerves looking at the hair coming out of this thing. But it makes sense how dirty, irresponsible, and just don't care some drivers can be. Because it's like, a lot of times when you come to a company and you're a company driver, you got to get in a truck most likely behind somebody that just had it. And some companies are really good with making sure the truck is detailed, but then some companies can slack on making sure that it's detailed. So when I got this truck, this guy done left his bag of clothes, he left tools, he left dirt, he left funk. Like this truck smelled like straight cigarettes when I got it. Hard in my truck, because I'm about to show y'all, but I just got in this truck, and as y'all heard me say, I wasn't able to get settled in it yet. So really I got a lot of my stuff just thrown in here because I got to put it up. Like I got to get settled, but I'm about to take a lot of stuff out this truck right here. And like the truck I had before, that was a refrigerator, but in this truck, this is a base model. This is just like a cabinet drawer. This is just a cabinet drawer, and he actually had this whole damn piece sitting up on top of the bunk. So I pretty much had to put that sucker back in. Like I had to install it, like screw it back on and everything else, and then I had to clean the floors. I don't know, man. I mean, it's part of trucking, and it is what it is. Sometimes you get tired of going behind dirty people or irresponsible people. If everybody just did their job and did what they supposed to do, and of course you would think it was common sense to be clean and try to take care of equipment, because without the equipment, people can't have a job or do their job. And I ain't even gonna lie, that's kind of one reason why I'm slow on trying to have a fleet, because I know dealing with drivers can be one of the big issues that like trucking businesses deal with, because you got people that will abandon your truck, you got people that will mess your truck up. If they don't abandon it, they messing it up with their hygiene, or they messing it up, you know, like physical damage. So it's like any which way, you got to either deal with drivers that don't want to work, you got to deal with drivers that want to get paid and don't want to work. I build more patience up before I try to get into the trucking business again, dealing with hiring drivers. You definitely got to have the patience and got to have patience to deal with drivers, because you got so many different personalities, and then you got to try your best not to get into it with drivers to where you going to jail because they done even abandoned your truck, messed your truck up, or dirtied it up to the point to where you got to seriously hire a detail. Well, that's my hind call, and as you see, the video then got interrupted. So yeah, man, if anybody got some opinions on just this ABS issue, help a sister out, because this is a nice truck. Like, these brand new trucks, they sweet. And this is pretty much the base model. This is the base model of the Freightliner Cascadia. This is pretty much the base model of, as you see, the Cascadia. And I got my seat covers on it, but obviously it's double bunk. You got all the cabinet space, cabinet, all the cabinet. Like, I have to clean this truck up something terrible. Like, I really need to clean it up. But like I said, base model. And like I said, you got to be careful of who you put in these trucks, or people will mess your trucks up. It just don't make no sense. So like I said, I understand that a lot of companies, they lease out their trucks like it's leased and it's not purchased, but that can make people CSA scores go up when drivers continuously, you know, have accidents. Maybe not the hygiene part, but when that can mess it up to where the company CSA score. So when company CSA scores go up, that's most likely the company driver go past the scale, they get pulled in because other drivers pretty much done messed it up to where now probably not doing nothing or doing their job, get pulled in. So it's a mess. But let me get off here and calm my mind. I just thought I'd share that because it's frustrating. It is. Excuse me, it's very frustrating. But all right, y'all, I love each and every one of y'all. Y'all have a lovely day and be good out there. I'm out. Deuces.